Have you ever wondered why some people seem to hit six figures while others keep struggling year after year? Here's the truth. Making your first $100,000 isn't just about luck or a perfect idea. It's about breaking a massive goal into daily actions. So simple, you can't ignore them. Today, I'll show you how to turn $100,000 into your reality, month by month, week by week, day by day. When I first thought about money, $100,000 felt impossible. It was a giant wall I could never climb. But then, I learned a secret. Divide the wall into bricks, tiny, manageable bricks, and you can build your way up. $100,000 sounds huge, until you do the math. That's about $8,333 per month, or $1,923 per week. And when you break it down, it's only $274 per day. Now, that mountain doesn't look so high. Here's the key. If you can figure out how to make $274 a day, consistently, 6 figures in a year is yours. I once met someone with a small online store. They started by making just $20 a day. Instead of saying, "This is too small," they asked, "What if we turn $20 into $40? Then $40 into $80? Months later, they stopped worrying about 6 figures. They focused on those small, daily wins. So, how do you do it? Here are a few powerful steps. Pick your vehicle. Whether freelancing, e-commerce, or content creation, choose one path. Master it. Don't try 10 things at once. Focus on daily income goals. Stop asking, "How can I make $100,000 this year?" Instead ask, "How can I make $274 today?" That shift changes everything. Leverage skills, not just time. If you trade time for money, you'll hit a ceiling. Build skills that allow you to charge more, or create systems that earn while you sleep. Reinvest in growth. Your first $10,000. Don't blow it. Reinvest it into tools, marketing, or learning. That's how you multiply your results. Here's the magic. Once you hit that first $100,000, everything changes. You'll no longer think small. You'll realize any goal can be broken down into daily actions. That's when your financial life starts to compound. So remember, $100,000 equals $8,233 per month, $1,923 per week, and $274 per day. It's not just a dream. It's a math problem. Solve the daily equation, and the big number takes care of itself. If this video gave you a new perspective, don't scroll away. Subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Comment below. What's your daily target starting today? Because the journey to $100,000 starts with the decision you make right now.